Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to enable inbuilt clipboard and use it to save any text or screenshots in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you two ways how you can enable the inbuilt clipboard. So the first method is just open the settings and just click on the system and just scroll down below. Now you will see here clipboard option, just click on it. And now on the first option you will see your clipboard history, so you need to enable it, or you can directly enable it by using the computer shortcut also. Just press Win+P on your computer keyboard. Now the clipboard option will show up, so you need to turn it on. In order to enable it, just click on this turn on. Now the clipboard has been enabled, so now whichever I will copy will be automatically saved here. So let us close this clipboard and let me try to copy some text or words. Let me copy it. And let me press again Win+P on your computer keyboard. Now you can see here, and let me take a screenshot also. So now you can see here the screenshots are also automatically being saved in the clipboard itself. And you can even pin it if you want to pin it, or you can delete it if you want to delete it, or you can clear it all by clicking on this clear all. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily enable inbuilt clipboard and use it to save any text or screenshot in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.